Hi, this is Christina Creighton with Signature One Luxury Estates. Welcome to my newest listing here in Boca Raton. Let me show you inside. This home has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, plus an office/den. It has a 2-car garage plus a pool. The house is centrally located and is convenient to the Turnpike and the I-95. All of the best shopping in Boca Raton is 5 to 10 minutes away, plus the beaches. But the most important is you have the best schools in the county. This is Christina Creighton with Signature One Luxury Estates. For more information, give me a call.